If you are planning to start Bitcoin mining in 2025 and looking for a best low budget Bitcoin miner, then this video is for you. Today I will tell about the Antminer S19K Pro. This miner is super affordable and very powerful in this price range. The best part, it's cost only $590. With this miner you can earn approx $5 per day. That means in just 4 months you can recover your cost of this miner. Not only that, the power consumption of this miner is very low, so it won't give you a huge electricity bill. Plus the sound level of this miner is very fair, so it won't disturb you at home. If you are a beginner in Bitcoin mining or even you are on a budget, the S19K Pro is the perfect choice for you in 2025. So if you want to buy this miner, check out description box and don't forget to like this video.